no cre say yewura finance minister Ken Oforiata ama yeti assess $600 million na abano, which is part of $3 billion Ghana IMF extended credit facility agreement no mayeno id kan abano enye the panacea obi say enye eno ena eba beye Ghana economy ye na emuma eba be suso yimu ama yetumi agina baabi ye na ye ne ano yetumi enya ya hoden na ye de akoyenim.
That's right.
Say yare kakra ball na ho dodo a na wo koto aduru a enya aduru no mum na eba be ma wo nkwa na emuma aduru no ma ho aba be ye den na udwumadi awudi no watumi adi ne ye saa nkomo no ena ye foto sani epese oni yedie na okase obiara adwuma emfiri ni nsem a ne nokre ene asem ewo mu a de ne se me mashada me dwumadie ne madesua mesuanti no Ghana yako IMF mprebebrebe na there are two classical examples ne IMF relationship ededi baako a yeye no 1983-84 ene baako a yeye no 2014 good 83-84 no it was under PNDC na eno no ye kuruchire no mani nyina de koye no ekokoye se Ghana adwumayefo dooso inti yenyi biedi within that 3 years no somebody na mo honti mo te sa abrofo no retrenchment enipa 350,000 adwuma ebo mo. That's right. Good. MCA ko hepek di bi ama.
Yeah.
Enuti the fiscal consolidation na ye ka no wako ma usika wo enti se adwumayefo nwinu usika te adwumayefo so na usika na enka sa na bandada no ye yedru 2014 edru ba bi ne was our problems na 3 areas na ha aban no public sector workers salaries in debt servicing say yakobo busia na yetuaka ena sika yese yede kwakọ enwumanwuma ewo manim na mre bia no obi ahwa ya na adwumayefo de ne ya na efo wutumi bia di anase wutumi kasa memfa ni pakra enti wubeka ya sa 2014 de no omampani dada mama na Ghana for workers kura pre akatua ntumu ema no ko gina ba bi se sa akatua ntumu no mde hunu hunu no enka ne na enka lichina no wa edwanfuno ubeka it was worker salary and compensation ena ekoye se okay sabre no ye nto workers akatuam and again even womo kura na womo awie school womo bepa adwuma no ye mfa womo so that you can consolidate your baseline under Nana Danko Akufo-Addo no kre. So we've gone to IMF. We are going with negotiation. But bebia you betumi adi adanse say aban we no omadi ni ye Ghanaian workers. Nti we say kan asem. Even in the midst of negotiating with IMF, negotiating with our debt holders, what as you na aban no to workers sakatuem 30%. In our history as a country, at no point and in a single year aban ato workers akatuemu 30% been see that. And even before that, now there was an element of cost of living allowance kolabi workers yaji din yan kan tire obi a by na yaji no na mo kama but yaji no ofaya yan kan tire mo yaji de hye ho enuti se yewura fotosani ka na odika. It is not by word of mouth, but in practice, yama Ghana for who say, even though you were who him, now wo Ghanaian work at it, would be somu if we say, wozum, yeninipa. Entisa okase, enyano enebabe sesa yen shebra no kre. Nemum or sa can say wonimu bedini ye na mo nka eno so waye nyeso obeyo.
Na say inuma nipa bebre so say mo economy na mo dia say inuma bio say apprentice ba omia mo de ne be hedai Akufo-Addo kra na ntumi na ono
wonim ade ba ko a mesra emre bia menya ahotoso what the belief in Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say menim say with his own vision to me transform the landscape of Ghanaian economy in say NDC has been consistently attacking him. Minim ade omo hu no papa no. Yeti hey, is he the first vice president? Why not going to say person obedi president? Sanyo good. But when you check our history, there has never been a point our opposition Eddie Omoni see vice president so even when the certain president is alive, me who be krada.
They are attacking the vice president instead of the president.
If there is any attack to be attacked, right? A vice president, you know, and Oman says you know, a vice president, you know, and Oman attacking no. But the president has been left. Except me say, NDC for who be say Oman say you rabaumia and Ghana for. Na in the events that Ghana for unya Ghana for any madam now obedi man so no other than digital agenda, technological agenda, ebe transform the economic landscape of this country. Ebe how winning of course.
What giant economy no, and there be a digitalization.
Winning. I will not blame NDC and the people who think that way.
Why?
Since the millennium, economic growth has been anchored by technology. On my biara on for technology and yet the economic baseline. Ubeketri. Mami kasa mitro. Sisi ayeti.
Oh, 4 minutes.
Good. Yes, sisi yetu. Uko the global stock market. It moves from Tokyo, Singapore, Ababa Bedu London Stock Exchange, Akodru New York Stock Exchange. In between. A far BBT say Dubai ho, a call South Korea, a be Thailand ho baby, but these are the biggest three. Through technology, they are moving $93 trillion a day. It is what? Enya kwanyo, enya railway line. It is not an aeroplane. It is through technology. So what the Hana wa say? You want to transform your economy. Now what they nasa what they won fat technology and kahwa wono na eya kwese wuni media woka. And let me tell you, yeti hey, could you have imagined say obi a wo aka no e wo baby te say drobonso drobonso ye ni hospital kese bi a yebetumi e de wo waduro asie ni e obi wo komfanoche na through technology atumi afa bi wo komfanoche Edi akodru drop so within 10 minutes. Obeka tell me say, wajai economy ho. Now, what are you coming to anchor your economy on? First, ni anchor in economy. Ewa akwan any adan ho. But this obi economy no. Ewa digital. Yeti hey, we call the global richest entrepreneurs. 10. Global richest entrepreneurs. 10. You will get about 7 people technological inclined.
Yeah.
Mark Zuckerberg,
Zef,
Microsoft, Bill
Gates,
Elon Musk,
yes.
Amazon,
yeah.
CEO,
yeah.
Alibaba. And he said, Obito. No, not going to say, but we are digital drive, digital agenda. Now, if we say, and no. Enya economy minim baby o free ba moreover yeti hey through interoperability previous years now we call mobile money platformer we were doing 30 million 40 million a month as I'm talking now through technology interoperability Ghana interbank payments system we are moving close to 170 million Ghana cedis a day. Mobile money contribute to 1.3 trillion Ghana 1.3 trillion Ghana cedis a year. Actually, will say if we had left the digital agenda behind, would have crashed. And then hey, I'm telling you, and I'm always happy. Mireketwa, he's in Ghana, but he works with a company in India, one in England. Another one in Canada. Do you know why? We're a data entry manager. And what she say? Because India, are there some ɛkyɛ ha nti ɛmɔ no ahomakye no nan no na India for no masɔrɔ ɔmo yɛ adwuma so you do that we are waba England we are ade asa na mimi no mi ne akɔ yɛse abrɛ no around 9 to 11 ɔyɛ adwuma for Canadian company had it not been sɛ ɔyɛ technologically inclined ɔgye sika ɛto ha ta wa woso yɛ minister ɔgye sika kyɛw the girl doesn't move out of the house ɔhyɛ dem enti no sɛ mihu obi sɛ let us make mockery of the digital drive na ne ho ɛyɛ mesere because he doesn't understand
so for
the
you,
benefit for me the next agenda for Ghana good the Ghana's economical trajectory is through digitalization and technology.
Hold it there for